Baldur's Gate 3 is an extraordinary RPG that offers immersive storytelling and gameplay. If you're looking to share this experience with a friend on the same screen, you're in luck. This guide will walk you through the step of setting up your split-screen co-op in Baldur's Gate 3, so you and your friend can dive into the adventure together. Before jumping into the game, make sure you have necessary equipment. You'll need 2 controllers to play in split-screen mode. These can be connected via Bluetooth or plugged in directly into your computer. Most modern controllers will work seamlessly with PCs. To start playing in split-screen mode, open the game on your PC, and from the main menu choose the multiplayer option. This is where you'll set up your co-op game. To ensure your game is set up for split-screen, inside the multiplayer menu switch the tab to LAN. This settings enables you to host a game that other players can join on the same network. Ensure both controllers are connected and recognized by the game. Now that your controllers are connected and the game is set up for multiplayer, the first controller to press the start button will be recognized as player 1. The second controller will automatically be assigned to player 2. Once you start the game, you will take into the character creation screen. Here you'll notice that the screen is divided in 2, allowing both players to create and customize their characters simultaneously. With both characters created, you can now begin your journey together in Baldur's Gate 3. The split-screen mode provides an immersive co-op experience where you and your friends can strategize and tackle challenges. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.